Omukutu gw'ebyempuliziganya ogwa MTN Uganda olwaleero gulangiriddwa nti gwe gusinze okwolesa obukugu mu mpeereza y'oku mayengo oba kiyite netiwaaka. Okunoonyereza kuno kulangiriddwa ekitongole ekirondoola eby'empeereza ya netiwaaka ne intaneti mu nsi yonna ki Road and Shores okuva e Dubai.
We deliver independent benchmarking audits across the globe. MTN Group is one of our key clients for the last 5 years. We provide real consistency through our activities with the standards committees which are currently working in the telecom sector, such as ITU, User Group 12, for quality of service.
Okusinziira ku Ssenkulu wa Road and Shores, Shakir Ahmed, MTN Uganda yawangulidde ku bubonero 716 ku bubonero 10.
In terms of the scoring, we do this on a fair consensus in terms of trying to replicate the population density and also the population mobility. So we take into account the key cities, the key towns, the key highways. So it's just not the 9,000 kilometers that we've also done, but also the points of interest.
Ssenkulu wa MTN mu Uganda, Sylvia Mulinge, alaze enteekateeka ez'enjawulo MTN zibakyakolako okwongera ku mpeereza yaayo naddala mu bya netiwaaka.
The challenge that we are trying to monitor as part of the execution of our strategy is that we have to have the best network in Uganda. And that means that our platforms must work, our availability must be there. In MTN, we have always had that slogan of everywhere you go, you must be sure that MTN is able to serve you. And I think this then speaks to the fact that we are heading in the right direction.
Akulira eby'omutimbagano mu MTN Uganda, Monza Ali, agamba nti MTN yalibadde wala nnyo mu bya netiwaaka wabula obukwakkulizo okuva mu bitongole bya gavumenti eby'enjawulo bo bakugira nnyo.
We have identified an improvement opportunity. What we are going to work on to improve on our optimization in terms of capacity and in terms of coverage. And also Sylvia mentioned that we invested $80 billion plus last year in 2022 in our network, and will continue even in 2023 and 2024 with our aggressive investment to make sure that everywhere you go, you have MTN network, not only 2G and 3G, but also you have LTE.
Ono agamba nti ebitongole bya gavumenti omuli National Forestry Authority, Civil Aviation Authority n'abantu obutaba na ssimu ezimanyiddwa nga seereza bibakugidde nnyo okugaziya empeereza yaabwe.
Smartphone penetration in Uganda is low. Almost 1 out of 3 has smartphone only. 1 out of 3 people has smartphone. So the smartphone penetration in Uganda is below 40%. So this is one of the challenge actually that is not only impacting MTN Uganda but also impacting the economic growth.
Titus Jemba, BBS Terefayina, Gambuuze.